Welcome to this tutorial on connecting N8N and Google Sheets. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows you to create custom workflows, while Google Sheets is a popular spreadsheet application. By integrating these two tools, you can automate tasks, streamline data management, and increase productivity. To connect N8N and Google Sheets, you need to create a new workflow in N8N. Start by logging into your N8N account and clicking on the plus icon to create a new workflow. Name your workflow and add a new node by clicking on the plus icon. Search for the Google Sheets node and select it. To authenticate with Google Sheets, you need to create credentials. Go to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. Enable the Google Sheets API and create credentials for your project. You will receive a client ID and client secret, which you will use to authenticate with N8N. In N8N, select the Google Sheets node and click on Authenticate. Enter your client ID and client secret, and authorize N8N to access your Google account. Once authenticated, you can select the Google Sheets node and configure it to read or write data to your Google Sheets. To read data from Google Sheets, select the read operation and enter the spreadsheet ID and range. You can also specify the headers and data types. To write data to Google Sheets, select the write operation and enter the spreadsheet ID and range. You can also specify the data and headers. Once you have configured the Google Sheets node, you can add other nodes to your workflow to process the data. For example, you can add a filter node to filter the data or a transform node to transform the data. Best practices for connecting N8N and Google Sheets include using secure authentication, selecting the correct node operations, and testing your workflow regularly. By following these best practices, you can ensure a secure and reliable integration between N8N and Google Sheets. In conclusion, connecting N8N and Google Sheets is a straightforward process that requires authentication and node configuration. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can automate tasks, streamline data management, and increase productivity. Remember to use secure authentication, select the correct node operations, and test your workflow regularly to ensure a reliable integration.